Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to remove green line on your Android screen. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. First, you should know that this problem may occur to your phone due to many causes. And one of these causes is overheating of display when you use your phone for a long time in sunlight or hot weather conditions, or due to fall from a certain height, excessive pressure on the screen in the pocket, or due to other things, loose display connections, display damage due to liquid or water, and also this problem may appear due to hardware and software optimization. So what I'm gonna do in this video is to help you to fix the software optimization in order to overcome this issue. So first thing you can do to fix this issue is to simply do a soft reset for your phone. And to do that, all you have to do is to click on the power button on your phone, then choose reboot or restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, you should see if this problem is fixed or not. Now, the second solution is to boot your phone in the safe mode, and this method may differ from a phone to another. So what you're gonna do is to search on the YouTube or on Google how to put your mobile on the safe mode according to which brand do you use. So it may differ from Samsung to Huawei to Xiaomi, for example. But if you have a Samsung phone, all you have to do is to click on the power button. Then it will show you these options. Click on power off and turn off your mobile phone. Then leave it for about 1 minute. Then instead of holding on the power phone, all you have to do is to hold on the volume down button. Then the phone will boot up. Solution number 3 is to check for system software update. And to do so, all you have to do is to go to your settings, then find about phone or update system. So here in my case, I will go to the settings, then go to about phone. And as you can see here, I have an update, so I can click on this icon right here to update my phone. And it will also show me the date of the last update, as you can see. So try to update your phone, then see if the issue is fixed or not. Solution 5 is to use Android repair tool, and this tool may help you to fix this problem automatically. So what you're gonna do is to search for it on the App Store. So go to your App Store, then search for Android repair tool, and it will show you many options right here. You can choose this one right here, Doctor Phone Data and Photo Recovery, or choose anyone that is suitable for your mobile phone and try to use it in order to fix this issue. Now, the last solution that you can do is to simply do factory data reset to your phone. And you should make this solution the last because this may lead to lose of your data. So what I advise you to do is to do like a backup to your phone data on your computer or laptop or even on the internet, on your Gmail. And to do that, you can go to settings, then search for factory reset. As you can see here, I have found it. And from this page right here, you can do a factory reset. But as I have told you, do not forget to make a backup, and you can choose this one right here. And after clicking on erase all, or after doing the factory reset, you should restart your phone, then try to see if the issue is fixed or not. And by all these solutions, we can confirm that this issue is not due to software optimization, but for sorry, it may be due to hardware or something happened that caused damage to your pixels. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.